Every day, 29 people in our country die in motor vehicle crashes that involve an alcohol-impaired driver. Think about this. For every one drink, your BAC goes up by 0.02%. So reaching a BAC of 0.08% takes about 4 to 5 drinks. Let's look at some numbers from around this area. Fremont County, 2015 to 2019, 894 arrests in 5 years. Average BAC, 0.17. Carbon County, 658 arrests in 5 years. Average BAC, 0.15. Natrona County, 2,025 arrests in 5 years. Average BAC, 0.11. Park County, 684 arrests in 5 years. Average BAC, 0.15. And Sweetwater County, 1,480 arrests in 5 years. Average BAC, 0.16. When you drink and then drive, you're making a conscious effort to do something that is illegal and that could harm people and kill people, including yourself, citizens, young people, whoever. You're making a mistake. You're drinking way too much. Hey, slow down. Think about the consequences and have a plan before you drink. Use a designated driver. Have a plan. Save your life. Save other lives. Don't drink and drive. My name's Cody Beers.
According to auto insurance industry experts, the average driver will have 4 crashes in their life. So please understand, we're not dealing with if you will be in a crash. We are dealing with when you will be in a crash. Some believe that wearing a seatbelt is a personal choice that only affects them. However, there are victims in every serious crash. The on-scene medical providers, emergency room doctors, firemen, law enforcement, coroner deputies, and any person that was at the scene of the crash. So no, being in a crash without a seatbelt is not a victimless scenario. Remember that 1 out of every 4 or 5 drivers we pass on the road in Wyoming is likely impaired or distracted. Your best defense against a drunk or distracted driver is your seatbelt. In case you forgot, this is Wyoming and this is the Wild West. And we know the smart survive. This has been Noel Cooper with Injury Prevention Resources, asking for simple things. Wear a seatbelt, pay attention, and drive sober. Think about our lives, and as they say, don't go down that road. Thank you for watching our virtual traffic safety session. There's many more to come.